the point when you have loved ones over to remain the night at your home, one of the most well-known obstructions is where everybody will rest. A rollaway bed gives the ideal arrangement, effectively hiding away when not being used, but rather giving an agreeable bed to your short-term visitors to rest on, when required. Rollaway beds, otherwise called collapsing beds, or bunks, can shift greatly in quality, as anybody who has rested on a low-quality collapsing bed during a lodging stay can confirm. From setting up camp beds without an included sleeping pad to extravagant, elegant collapsing beds that vibe as great as your ordinary bedding, it can feel overpowering finding what choice is best for you. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you best rollaway beds for living room. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the LiteBed brand. The revolution of the century. A super portable foldaway bed offering luxurious comfort. LiteBed's foldable bed is designed with an extra soft cozy memory foam mattress, which is made of high-density super soft foam, and is supported with a flexible mesh without any uncomfortable wooden or metal bars, which will offer you a comfortable good night's sleep experience. LiteBed is proud to announce that we are the only seller that provides a storage bag for a foldaway bed. Travel around all over the place, store your fold-out bed in your basement or attic, without being worried your rollaway bed is going to get dirty, dusty, ripped, smelly, or moldy. Are you fed up with uncomfortable, junky, big, clumsy folding beds? LiteBed Folding Guest Bed is built from a super sturdy strong steel frame, with the highest weight capacity ever of 400 pounds. LiteBed Portable Sleeper Bed will delight your guests with our comfortable folding bed for years to come. Foldable Mattress Bed, which is extremely lightweight, folds into a compact that's just 7-inch thick, which makes it easy to store under the bed, sofa, couch, or car trunk, saving you space in your attic, garage, storage, and basement. You'll wish you found this years ago. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 4 in our top is from the CAIYUN brand. The folding bed comes with 2 velcros which can fix the mattress and make the mattress fits the bed frame more. We provide a fabric storage bag on the side of the rollaway bed, which can store mobile phones, glasses, books or tablets. The mattress is filled with 1.5-inch memory foam and 3.5-inch base support foam to provide you or your guests with a comfortable sleeping experience. The zippered mattress cover is removable and washable. Made of a sturdy premium steel frame, this folding bed with a reinforced structure is durable enough for long-term use, offering you ample stability and support. Fold-out dimensions: 45.2-inch long x 12.8-inch wide. Unfolded dimensions: 75-inch long x 31-inch wide. The portable bed can be easily and quickly folded in half, only 12.8-inch thick when folded up. Folding bed is very suitable for limited space and is easy to store. And it is fitted with 4 smooth rolling wheels to ensure easy portability, also lockable when you want to place it. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Heyward brand. Never settle for a creaky, bumpy guest bed again. This premium folding bed maximizes convenience and storability, without compromising quality or comfort. Clear and simple user manual makes it easy to set up in as little as 5 to 15 minutes. High-quality frame and mattress fold up into an ultra-slim 14-inch profile, so you can reposition easily and pack away when not in use. Zippered jacquard cover comes off in a flash, ready for a quick clean in the washing machine. Luxurious CertiPURUS certified memory foam supports your body on all sides. 17-inch frame holds the bed away from annoying drafts, while the super soft, ventilated mattress cover helps regulate body temperature and wick away moisture. Reinforced lattice steel frame with locking wheels designed for max durability and comfort. Supports the mattress evenly, without sagging. Exceptional customer service connects you with real people if there is ever a problem with the product. Whether you're setting up a guest room, creating a temporary sleep space, or looking for a helpful housewarming gift, this folding bed is ideal for versatile use. Great for college students, new parents, and many more. Number 2 in our top is from the Karcog brand. Made of the sturdy premium steel frame, this folding bed with a reinforced structure is durable enough for long-term use, offering you ample stability and support. The mattress is filled with 1.5-inch memory foam and 3.5-inch high-density support foam to provide you or your guests with a comfortable sleeping experience. Not noisy or creaky. Mattress cover of the folding bed is removable and washable, easy to clean. The portable bed can be easily and quickly folded in half. Karcog folding bed is very suitable for limited space and easy to store. Only 12.8-inch thick when it folded up, take no extra room and will be easy to tuck away somewhere out of sight. No extra tools needed. With detailed illustrated manual, the Rollaway bed only takes minutes to set up. Dual locking wheels can be fixed to prevent the bed from slipping. The flexible caster wheels make it a breeze for all ages to transport and store this foldable rolling bed. It can be moved by one person easily. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Foxemart brand. Compare with other Rollaway bed, Foxemart's folding bed overcomes the shortcoming of the traditional bed mattress moving on the bed frame while you're sleeping. It comes with 2 Velcro, which can fix the mattress and make the mattress fits the bed frame more. This portable foldable bed built with high-quality steel tubing, the sturdy metal frame that is reinforced to ensure maximum sturdiness, can easily support the weight of adult. Supports up to 300 pounds. Adopted premium memory foam, no chemical smell. 5-inch thick memory foam mattress, providing contouring support, helps with pressure point relief. Give your guest a nice sleep. The zippered mattress cover is made with soft polyester that is removable and washable. Fold up your bed to a slim 12.8-inch thick profile. Store it neatly against a wall. It would free up a lot of space and it fitted with smooth rolling wheels to ensure easy portability. It can easily pushed by one person. Comes with everything you need, manual, tools and screws. Effortlessly assemblies in 5 to 15 minutes. Which Rollaway bed for living room would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.